Hey everyone, today we are diving into a super useful feature in Microsoft Dynamics 365 supply chain management, which is customer specific batch attributes. So if you are working with process manufacturing client, you know that not all the batches are same, which means companies produce a base product like acids, chemicals, or food ingredients, but each batch can vary in its characteristics like concentration, viscosity, or purity based upon the production conditions. Take sulfuric acid for example. It's used in agriculture, battery manufacturing, and pharmaceuticals. But here's the catch. Agriculture customers need a low concentration ranging from 10 to 20% of sulfuric acid for soil treatment. On the other hand, battery manufacturing customers require a stronger concentration between 30 to 50% for a durable batteries. So, how do we make sure the right batch goes to the right customer every time? That's exactly what we are going to explore today. Let's see how Dynamics 365 SCM makes a batch management easy and efficient. So let's jump into the system and see the required configuration. For this, we need to navigate to the release product. Okay, so first we need to define the batch attributes for our product. So let's see how it's done. Select the product you want to enable the batch attributes. For example, I'm using CH001 sulfuric acid. You go to the Manage Inventory tab and go to the Product Specific Batch Attributes. So assign the appropriate batch attributes here. So here we can see first attribute is concentration ranging from 0 to 100%. Another is viscosity and also ranging from a minimum of 0 to a maximum of 100%. This range is broadly acceptable for the product. However, we can also define customer-specific ranges based upon their specific requirements. So next, let's define the customer-specific batch attribute to make sure that each customer gets the right product based upon their needs. For this, let's go back, click on customer-specific batch attributes, and here we can select our appropriate attribute like concentration. We can define the attribute based upon customer or a customer group. For example, for agriculture customer, the concentration range is set between 10 to 20%. On the other hand, for the battery manufacturing customer, the concentration is set between somewhere around 40 to 60%. Now, our system knows which batches are suitable for which customers. Next, let's check the on-hand batches for the same product, sulfuric acid, and see how the system assigns them on the sales. For this, we'll go back and click on on-hand inventory. We have two batches, batch 001 and batch 002. Let's analyze the batches. Let's navigate to batch 001 and check the inventory batch attributes. We can see here the concentration of 15, which aligns with the requirement of an agriculture customer, because on our customer specific batch attribute setup, it's between 10 to 20%. Now let's go back and navigate to B002. Go to inventory batch attributes. Its inventory batch attribute shows a concentration of 45, making it suitable for a battery manufacturing customers. So let's see how the system automatically filters the right batch to be reserved for a customer order through a sales order batch reservation. For this, we need to navigate to the sales order. Let's filter the sales order for an agriculture customer. If we open the order, on the lines the same product is used with the batch attributes enabled. Let's click on inventory and go to batch reservation. The system will filter the batches that meet the customer's attribute criteria, which is B001, as it falls within the acceptable range defined for the customer on the customer-specific batch attribute. Select the appropriate batch and reserve it. And you are done. Similarly, you can see the sales order for a battery manufacturing customer for the same item, CH001, and click on batch reservation over here. The system will filter the batches that meet the customer's attribute criteria with a batch 002, and we can reserve the batch. So as you can see, Dynamics 365 automatically suggests the right batch based upon the defined customer specific attributes. So no manual errors, no mismatched orders. Apart from this, we can also configure the batch disposition codes or the batch attributes based picking rules in the warehouse management to automatically allocate the batches based upon the customer needs. And that's how Microsoft Dynamics 365 SCM ensures that the customer orders are fulfilled with the correct batch attributes every single time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with those who might need it. Have any questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments. We'll love to hear from you. Thank you. See you in the next video.